Its noble clarity, the higher it is, the more it gives heat and constrains the lowest places more by its ardor than the high ones, for they are more tempered by the winds. Exactly so my lady chased pure, high in worlds constrains me all the more, who finds me low and entirely at her will, not so a rich man in whom love worsens because pride consents to it. She finds me low and at her will, she whom I love without any false love, for she holds me in check and in fear, just as the gyre falcon when it has swayed above, just to the crane so thoroughly unnatures it that with its cry alone, without other battle makes it fall and takes it without a struggle. Exactly so my lady, where she stops her course, finds me and looses me and takes me. She binds me and takes me. She bends me and takes me, my lady, and strikes me and beats me and makes me languish, sighting without pain, and burns my heart with a fire of sweetness that she has placed between my heart and my side, like a little flame that without any measure burns the lion with its breath. But she has worked so much that the more she burns me often, the more I am revived by a little care from a sweet pleasing glance. So pleasing is she to me, the more I see her, the more she pleases me, her beautiful body, and the more I adore her, and it would be right that she should guard her honor if it pleased her to have pity on me, for the fire that burns me is of such a nature that the farther I am from it, the more cooling I feel, just as the salamander bathes gently in the fire without burning and draws its nourishment from it. Its nourishment from it. From a young age to praise her and speak of her worth, for which I am richer than any emperor when she has looked at me with her eyes. For that look ennobles and impros me, for my heart always finds itself more suffering toward her than the son of the Duke, for Sanguine the comely when he left her on his clubbing